Giki nikio gikundi kia mbere kia maabithaa a gikiro gia Cadets gukorwo makihubwo thombe thukuru-ini uyu wa mathomo ma kibiraru mwena wa Lanet kaunti-ini ya Nakuru thutha wa gukorwo makiamukira mathomo kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe. Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri, Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni atugeretie wirutiri wa maabithaa aya ihinda-ini riu akionania kuiganira na mitaratara ya thirikari hari gukinyaniria mathomo ma kiiriu na ma gikiro kia iguru kuri maabithaa honge-ini ngurani cia ugitiri guuku bururi-ini.
I am therefore confident that you will perform the full scope of your duties in our country and beyond with distinction.
Uhuru oho akigathiriria utongoria ruhonge-ini rwa mbiraru akiuga githomo kiria maabithaa aya makoretwo makiamukira ni gia guteithiriria kugitira bururi ihinda-ini riri na matuko meguka.
That our National Defence University of Kenya, that is now a fully chartered university, is now fully up and running and is preparing to commence academic and professional development of the personnel across our entire security sector.
Kenya ikoretwo ikinyitanira na mabũrũri ngũrani thiini wa tabarira itiganite cia mathomo kuri maabithaa a mbiraru arĩ ta njĩra ya kugacĩrithia thayũ bũrũri-inĩ ona gĩtarũ-inĩ gĩkĩ.
Today I welcome the training of cadets from South Sudan, as well as the commencement of an exchange program of cadet training between the Kenya Defence Forces and the Defence Forces of the Republic of Mozambique, amongst many other existing cooperation arrangements.
Ona kuhanura uguo, Mutongoria wa bururi nioritie a Kenya kuhimbiria urumwe na thayu kuona mbara ino ndingitigirwo maabithaa a ugitiri aiki.
I urge all Kenyans to be alive to the security threats that we face, which cannot be defeated by military might alone. Kenyans from all walks of life must work together to secure our country by strengthening our national unity and observing the values of tolerance and brotherhood in our country.
Igongona riri ni rigwikinyitio ni atongoria ngũrani ari hamwe na gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Kenyatta, minister wa ugitiri Eugene Wamalwa hamwe nage. Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Gitagogena wa Waduro.